Hello, what's up guys? We're back with another video, and let me tell you, this one's a game changer. We're diving into the world of baby oil. Yeah, you heard me right, baby oil. I bet you think it's just for keeping those little rugrats soft and smooth, right? Well, think again. This stuff is like the Swiss Army knife of household products. We're talking about unlocking the hidden potential of something you probably have stashed away in your bathroom cabinet right now. Because let's be real, who actually uses up an entire bottle of baby oil on just their baby? It's like that one friend who always has your back, even when you forget they exist. Today we're going on a journey to uncover the most unexpected, the most mind-blowing, the most, wait, you can do that with baby oil? Uses you've never heard of. Get ready to have your minds blown because this is about to get wild. Alright, first up, we're tackling a problem every single one of us has faced. Stubborn makeup that just refuses to budge. It's a universal struggle, and it can be incredibly frustrating. We're talking that waterproof mascara that's basically glued itself to your lashes, making you wonder if it's ever going to come off. And that long-lasting lipstick that's decided to take up permanent residence on your lips, no matter how hard you try to remove it. It's a struggle, I feel you. We've all been there, standing in front of the mirror, scrubbing away, hoping for a miracle. But fear no more, my friends, because baby oil is here to save the day. Yes, that humble bottle of baby oil can be your new best friend in the battle against stubborn makeup. Forget those expensive makeup removers that promise the world but leave you scrubbing your face raw. They often contain harsh chemicals that can irritate your skin. We're going old school, we're going natural, we're going gentle. Baby oil is a simple, effective, and gentle solution. Just grab yourself a cotton pad, soak it with a bit of baby oil, not too much, we don't want to be swimming in the stuff, and gently wipe away that makeup. It's as easy as that. And I mean gently, people, we're not trying to exfoliate here. A light touch is all you need to see the magic happen. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly the baby oil breaks down even the most stubborn makeup, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and most importantly, clean. It's almost like a mini spa treatment. No more raccoon eyes, no more leftover lipstick, just fresh-faced fabulousness. You'll feel like a new person. And the best part? Baby oil is super gentle on your skin, so it's perfect for even the most sensitive skin types. No more worrying about irritation or redness. No more irritation, no more redness, just happy, healthy skin. It's a win-win. Your skin will thank you for making the switch. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ron, is this stuff really gonna work on my waterproof industrial strength mascara? It sounds too good to be true, right? And the answer, my friends, is a resounding yes. Baby oil is like the ultimate makeup remover. It can handle anything you throw at it. Baby oil is like the ultimate makeup remover. It can handle anything you throw at it. From the toughest waterproof mascara to the most stubborn lipstick, baby oil has got you covered. So ditch those expensive, chemical-laden makeup removers and embrace the power of baby oil. It's a simple, cost-effective solution that really works. Your skin will thank you for it. You'll not only save money but also treat your skin with the gentleness it deserves. So go ahead, give baby oil a try and see the difference for yourself. Next up, we're taking on those annoying, soul-crushing, squeaky hinges that plague our homes. You know the ones I'm talking about, those doors that sound like a chorus of dying cats every time you open them. It's enough to drive you absolutely bonkers. The constant creaking can make even the calmest person lose their cool. But fear not, my fellow sufferers, because baby oil is here to silence those squeaks once and for all. That's right, this miracle liquid isn't just for babies and makeup removal, it's also a secret weapon in the fight against annoying household noises. Now, I'm not talking about drenching your hinges in baby oil here. A little goes a long way. You don't need to use a lot to get the job done. Just grab yourself a cotton swab, dip it in some baby oil, and carefully apply it to the hinge. Make sure to cover all the areas where the metal parts rub together. You want to get the oil right into those little crevices where the squeaking is coming from. This ensures that the oil reaches the source of the noise. Once you've applied the oil, open and close the door a few times to work it in. This helps the oil spread evenly and ensures that every part of the hinge is lubricated. And just like that, those ear-splitting squeaks will be a distant memory. Your door will open and close smoothly and quietly. It's like magic, but better, because it's baby oil. You'll be amazed at how effective this simple solution is, and the best part? Baby oil won't damage your hinges like some other lubricants can. It's safe to use on all types of metal and won't cause any corrosion. It's gentle, it's effective, and it's probably already in your house. You don't need to buy any special products or tools, so ditch those expensive chemical-laden lubricants and embrace the power of baby oil. It's a natural, affordable, and versatile solution. Your ears will thank you for it. Enjoy the peace and quiet of a home free from annoying squeaks and creaks. Chapter 3. Bug Off. Today, we're diving into a simple yet effective solution to keep those pesky mosquitoes at bay. Baby oil, the natural mosquito repellent. Yes, you heard that right. Something as common as baby oil can be your new best friend in the fight against mosquitoes. Alright, let's talk about those pesky little vampires that plague our summer's mosquitoes. They buzz around, ruin our outdoor fun, and leave us with itchy bites. They're itchy, they're annoying, and they always seem to be out for our blood. It's like they have a personal vendetta against us. But what if I told you that you could keep those bloodsuckers at bay with something as simple as baby oil? You heard me right. This household staple can double as a mosquito repellent. Baby oil, that miracle liquid that removes makeup and silences squeaky hinges, can also be used as a natural mosquito repellent. And the best part? It's gentle on the skin and has multiple uses. It's DEET-free, so it's safe for the whole family. No more worrying about harsh chemicals on your skin or your children's skin. Now I know what you're thinking, Ron, how in the world does baby oil repel mosquitoes? It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's all about the science, baby. Let's break it down. Mosquitoes are attracted to the carbon dioxide we exhale, but they also rely on their sense of smell to find their victims. They zero in on our natural body odors. Baby oil, with its mild and pleasant scent, masks our natural odor, making it harder for those pesky mosquitoes to find us. It's like putting on an invisibility cloak. It's like a cloaking device, but for bugs. Imagine enjoying your summer evenings without constantly swatting away mosquitoes. To use baby oil as a mosquito repellent, simply apply a thin layer to exposed skin. It's easy, quick, and effective. You can also add a few drops of essential oils like citronella, lavender, or eucalyptus to boost its effectiveness. These oils are known for their mosquito-repelling properties, or tea tree oil to boost its effectiveness. These natural oils not only smell great, but also enhance the repellent properties of baby oil. So, ditch those chemical-laden bug sprays and embrace the power of baby oil. It's a safer, more natural alternative that works just as well. Your skin and your nose will thank you for it. Enjoy the outdoors without the constant annoyance of mosquitoes and feel good knowing you're using a natural solution. Chapter 4. Stainless Steel Savior. Baby oil to the rescue. Let's be real, keeping our stainless steel appliances looking sparkling clean can feel like a never-ending battle. Fingerprints, smudges, watermarks, they seem to appear out of thin air. But fear not, my fellow clean freaks, because baby oil is here to save the day. That's right, this miracle liquid that removes makeup, silences squeaky hinges, and repels mosquitoes can also make your stainless steel appliances shine like new. And the best part, it's super easy to do. Just grab yourself a microfiber cloth, put a few drops of baby oil on it, a little goes a long way, and start wiping down your appliances. You'll be amazed at how easily the baby oil removes those stubborn fingerprints and smudges, leaving your appliances looking shiny and streak-free. But wait, there's more. Baby oil can also help to prevent future fingerprints and smudges from showing up. That's because the oil creates a protective barrier on the surface of your appliances, making it harder for those pesky marks to stick. So ditch those expensive, chemical-laden stainless steel cleaners and embrace the power of baby oil. Your appliances and your wallet will thank you for it. Chapter 5. Leather Love. Baby oil for that supple shine. Finally, let's talk about giving some love to our leather goods. Whether it's our favorite pair of boots, our trusty leather jacket, or that vintage leather couch we snagged at a flea market, we want to keep our leather looking its best. And guess what? Baby oil can help us do just that. That's right, this miracle liquid that removes makeup, silences squeaky hinges, repels mosquitoes, and cleans stainless steel can also condition and protect your leather goods. It's like the ultimate multitasker. Baby oil is a natural emollient, which means it helps to soften and moisturize leather, preventing it from drying out and cracking. It can also help to restore the shine to dull leather, making it look brand new again. To condition your leather goods with baby oil, simply apply a small amount to a clean, soft cloth and rub it into the leather in a circular motion. Let the oil soak in for a few minutes, then buff it out with a clean cloth. Your leather goods will be left feeling soft, supple, and looking their absolute best. Baby oil, the unexpected hero of your home. So there you have it, folks. 5 mind-blowing uses for baby oil that you probably never knew about. This humble little bottle is a true multitasking marvel, capable of tackling everything from stubborn makeup to squeaky hinges to pesky mosquitoes. Who knew that something so simple could be so versatile? I encourage you to try out these hacks for yourself and see the amazing results. You might just be surprised at what you can achieve with a little bit of baby oil. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome life hacks, DIY projects, and other fun stuff. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay awesome.